This is a 2006 Honda biggest Ruckus. I got a flat coming back from the store, so I'm going to show you how to remove the rear tire. Also to a 2005 Honda Ruckus is also the same thing. I think they only made them for 2 years. Anyway, I'll get started here. First thing is the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 12mm socket. You're going to need a 14mm socket extension and a 24mm socket for the hub in the center. Okay, first thing, I'm going to do the hardest part first. I'm going to remove this piece right here. Just loosen this up a little bit. Okay. After that, go to the 14mm sockets. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this should come off fairly easy. Okay, now here's where your 24mm socket goes in. And when you spin the wheel, this spins also. So in case you don't have an air tool or electric impact tool like this, have someone hold the e-brake on and you can use the breaker bar to take it off. Okay. It's a nut, and then there's a washer back here. Okay, then now there's 2 bolts. Okay, now this is where your universal comes in for this bolt on top because of the angle. And then you can remove the bracket that holds the rear wheel. And then there's a spacer. It comes out like this. And then you can take your rear wheel out. Also, you can inspect your brakes, which they look good. My brakes look good right here. Okay, now I'm going to go to the tire shop and get a brand new tire, but before I do that, I'm going to show you how it goes back together. Same thing, but backwards. I'm going to mount the tire here, push it in. Spacer flat goes in first. This goes out, and your bracket. And you know, there's a washer right here that's supposed to come out. There it is. Don't forget your washer. Make sure that's in there. And then this nut is like a self-locking nut, so it goes in only one direction. Spin that in. Okay. And then got your 2 bolts up here. Okay. Tighten those. Tighten that. And then your muffler, which is pretty much self-explanatory right here. Push it in, slide it in, and you push your bolts. I'm not going to do that all, but you understand. Okay, thank you for watching.